Hello, welcome to my new crafting channel, wishing everyone many blessings. Today we're going to make a 3D letter with the name. This project is something I made for my goddaughter. Add different colors and style. You can perfect the design and make it your own. Okay, let's get started. Select a bold letter to ensure most of the image will fit. Double click on the letter frame. Adjust the image to match the original image. Duplicate the frame and adjust the frame again. Here I'm duplicating and adjusting the second frame. Now on the duplicated frame, turn brightness all the way down. Then adjust the image in the letter frame to match the original image. Once done, position the second frame right behind the original letter frame. Now, on the top frame, add a border and adjust the border's thickness, if you like it a little heavier or a little lighter. Now remove the background from the original image. It's a little difficult to tell from my image because it's all black, but the background has been removed. You can choose to keep it as is or add color to the letter frame. I just want to show you how easy it is to add different colors. I chose different gradient color in the original design. Now let's add the sparkle heart. Let's add the name. Choosing a font for me is the most difficult. I'm just changing the color of the heart. Adding a little glitter to the tail, not necessary, but I love sparkles. Almost there, guys. Thank you for hanging in there. Now head to the original image, select the image, go to edit, and select Magic Grab. Then slowly remove the hair. Now apply and blend it in with the image. Okay, that is it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I tried to make it short, but that didn't work out. I hope my video helped someone today. Please like and subscribe. I will post more videos soon. Many blessings. Bye.